forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. There are three methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Today we will discuss substitution method. Question based on substitution method. First question: solve following equation. X plus y equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4 by substitution method. First, always give equation 1, equation 2. In substitution method, eliminate one of the variable from any of the equation. First, take equation 2 and find the value of any of the variable. So find value of x. We can find value of x. So x is equal to y plus 4. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. Therefore from equations 1 and 3, in place of x write y plus 4 plus y equal to 14. So we get linear equation in one variable. Y plus y, 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, 10. Dividing both sides by 2. So y equal to 5. Now find value of x. Putting value of y in equation number 3. Y equal to 5 in equation 3. So x is equal to 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Problem. Question number 2. Solve the following equation by substitution method. Both equations contain decimal. So first remove decimal. Multiplying both sides by 10. So multiply both the equation by 10. First equation. So 0.2 into 10, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Give equation number 1. Now again multiply by 10. So 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Equation number 2. Now find value of one of the variable from equation 2 and put in equation number 1. So 5y is equal to 23 minus 4x. So y is equal to 23 minus 4x upon 5. Give equation number 3. From equations 1 and 3. Substitute value of y in equation number 1. So 2x is equal to 3y. 2x plus 3 into y. 23 minus 4x upon 5 equal to 13. Now this is a linear equation in one variable. So simple calculation: 2x plus 23 3 is 69 minus 3 4 is 12x upon 5 is equal to 13. Now taking LCM. Next step, 2x, LCM in left hand side. LCM is 5. Nothing it means we can write 1. So 2x into 5, 10x plus 69 minus 12x is equal to 13. 10x minus 12x minus 2x plus 69 upon 5 is equal to 30. Cross multiply minus 2x plus 69 equal to 13 5 ja 65. So minus 2x equal to 65 minus 69 minus 4. So we get x equal to 2. Now putting x equal to 2 in equation number 3. Therefore from equation 3 y is equal to 23 minus 4x. In place of x write 2 upon 5. 23 minus 8, 4 to the 8. 23 minus 8, 15. Or 15 upon 5, 3. So value of y is 3. Next problem. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So first we have to find value of x and y from these two equations and substitute these values in this equation. So we get value of m. So first 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Give equation number 1. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, equation number 2, and write this equation also. Y equal to mx plus 3, give equation number 3. Now simplify these two equations with the help of substitution method. So first find value of one of the variable. So find value of x. We can find easily. So minus plus 4y minus 24 is equal to, यहाँ पर हम आसानी से x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. y की निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा, माइनस साइन आ रहा है. अब नाउ डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय 2. सो 4y minus 24 upon 2 x equal to, taking common 2, so we get 2y minus 12 upon 2. 2 or 2 cancel. So we get value of x is 2y minus 12. Give equation number 4. Therefore from equation 1 and 4, equation 1, 2x, so 2 into 2y minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 11. 2 to the 4y minus 24 plus 3y equal to 11. 4y plus 3y, 7y. Same minus 24 dead side. So 11 plus 24, 35. Dividing both sides by y. Sorry, 7. Dividing both sides by 7. 7y upon 7, y. Or 35 upon 7, 5. So we get value of y. Therefore from equation 4, x is equal to 2y. 2 into 5 minus 12. 2 into 5 minus 12. 5 to the 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. Now substitute value of x and y in equation number 3. Therefore from equation 3, y equal to mx plus 3. Y is equal to 5. Mx means minus 2m or plus 3. 5 minus 3, 2 equal to minus 2m. Dividing both sides by minus 2. So 2 upon minus 2, minus 1. And minus 2m upon minus 2m. So value of m is minus 1. Next problem. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Let A and B, let x and y be two numbers such that x is greater than y. जब भी हम कोई दो नंबर लेट करते हैं तो हमको मालूम है कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. So always take either x is greater than y or y is greater than x. So let x and y be two numbers such that x is greater than y. Now write according to problem. Difference of two numbers is 26 and x is larger number means x minus y is equal to 26. Give equation number 1. And one number is 3 times the other means larger number is 3 times of a smaller number. In this question x is larger number, so x is 3 times smaller number. Now substitute value of x from equation 2. So therefore from equations 1 and 2, in place of x write 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y minus y equal to 26. So y is equal to 13. So one of the number is 13. Therefore other number x. Other number is 3 times of smaller number. So x equal to 3y is equal to 3 into 13. So therefore x is equal to 13 3 is 39. So numbers are 39 and 30. Next problem. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So first let fraction. Let x upon y be required fraction. Now this is fraction means this is numerator and this is denominator. According to problem, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, means numerator plus 2 and denominator plus 2, the fraction become 9 by 11. So is equal to 9 upon 11. This is linear equation in two variables but not in its standard form. So first convert into standard form. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So cross multiply 11 into this, 11 into x plus 2. So 11x plus 11 into 2, 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 minus 4. Give equation number 1. And if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, means x plus 3 upon y plus 3. This time fractions becomes 5 by 6. Again convert into standard form. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 minus 3. Give equation number 2. Now there are two equations. Using substitution method find the value of x. For this find one of the variable. Find the value of one of the variable from equation number 2. 6x is equal to 5y minus 3. So x is equal to 5y minus 3 upon 6. Give equation number 3. Therefore, from equations 1 and 3, 11x, so 11 into 5y minus 3 upon 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11 5 ja 55y minus 33 upon 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Taking LCM 6 6 1 ja 6, so 55y minus 33 minus 9 6 ja 54y is equal to minus 4. 55y minus 54y, so y minus 33 is equal to cross multiply 6 into minus 4, this into this, so y minus 33 and 6 minus 4 minus 24. So value of y is equal to minus 24 plus 33. 33 minus 24, 9. So therefore x is equal to, put y equal to 9 here. So x is equal to 5 into 9. 5 into 9 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 9 5 ja 45. 45 minus 3, 42 upon 6, 7. So x equal to 7 and y equal to 9. Therefore required fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. Numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. And you can verify your answer also. Numerator 7 by 9. If we add 2, 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 2, 11. So 9 by 11. If we add 3, 7 plus 3, 10. Or 9 plus 3, 12. 10 upon 12. 10 upon 12 means 5 by 6. Hence verified. Next problem. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So let present age of Jacob and his son be x and y years respectively. Now write according to problem. 5 years hence, present age of Jacob is x. Then after 5 years, age of Jacob x plus 5. And after 5 years, age of his son y plus 5. And what is the relation between their ages? Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Means age of Jacob is equal to 3 times age of his son. This is a linear equation in 2 variables. Simplify and write in standard form. X minus 3y is equal to 0. Give equation number 1. Sorry. X minus 3y equal to 15 minus 5, 10. Give equation number 1. And second condition is 5 years ago, age of Jacob x minus 5 and age of his son y minus 5. And this time relation is age of Jacob is 7 times age of his son. 7 times. Now again simplify. X minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 minus 5. So minus 5 send that side, so plus 5. So minus 30. Give equation number 2. Now find value of x from this equation. X equal to 7y minus 30. Give equation number 3. Substitute value of x in equation number 1. So therefore from equations 1 and 3, 1 and 3, x means 7y minus 30 minus 3y is equal to 10. 7y minus 3y, 4y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 upon 4, 10. So age of Jacob's son is 10 years, y equal to 10. Therefore from equation 3, x is equal to 7 into 10 minus 30. 70 minus 30, 40. So age of Jacobs is 40 years. So it lasts. Therefore age of Jacob is equal to 40 years and age of his son is equal to 10 years. Thank you. Have a nice day.